Now we're going to have a look at the song position pointer. That's the white line down here with the arrow at the top, which tells you at what position you are in the song. Obviously, I'm going to press start and watch it moving along from left to right. Now, if I double click, look here, here's track 1. If I double click alongside track 1, in the space between the two black lines here, the track part comes up. Look, it says track 1 on there. Now I'm going to delete that for the moment simply by pressing delete here, and it's gone. But I want to show you what those two black lines are for. They are called the locators. And the left one is called the left locator, and the right one is the right locator. Look at the ruler at the top. I'm now going to click the left mouse button further along here. See, the black line jumps. Don't know if you can see, there's an L there at the top of it. And the other one, I'm now going to take the cursor over here and I'm going to click the right mouse button, and look, the right one jumps to there. Okay, so that's the left locator and the right locator. Let's go back to what we had before. That one on 1, that's the left one, and the right one on 4. And I'm now going to tell you what cycle mode is. Look at the transport bar here. I've clicked on there, the yellow light's gone off. I'm clicking on there, the yellow light's going on again. Now I'll turn the light off. Look at the song position pointer as it gets past the right locator. It keeps on. Right. Look at this again now. I'm going to put this on cycle mode. I'm going to press start. It's gone back to the beginning. Never mind. It's going to get to the beginning of that section marked by the left locator, getting to the right locator. Oh, and look, it's gone back to the beginning. And now it'll go back to the left locator again. That's what I meant to say. To the right locator and back to the left locator. Now we're going to stop. Now, I told you in the previous video that if you press 0 or stop, that's the yellow button there, then you stop the song, obviously. But there's the song position pointer moving along. I press stop and now it's stopped. If I press stop again, see, it jumps back. Well, you can't see it now, but if I press start again, you'll see that it jumped back to the left locator. Now, I've double clicked and now it's gone right back to the very beginning. If I press start again, it's moving. I'll press stop, it stays where it is. I double click it, it goes back right to the beginning. If it's past the left locator and I press stop and I click again, it now goes back to the left locator. Now, let's go on to the next page. I told you some keyboard shortcuts before. Enter is play, 0 is stop. So let's do that again. Play. 0 is stop. Now, if I want to quickly jump to the right locator, I press 2. It's jumped. If I were to press play again now, it would carry on from the right locator. Okay, I'm going to stop it, and I've gone back to the left locator by pressing 0. So I'm going to press enter again, and now I'm simply going to press 1. It'll go back to the left locator. I'm going to press 2. It'll go onto the right locator. I press 1 again, back to the left locator. Press 2, it'll jump to the right locator. And stop. Next thing, I'm going to show you how to solo and mute tracks. Well, let's do it the other way around. Imagine you've got a whole lot of instruments here, all recorded. and you just want to hear one of them on the one hand, or you don't want to hear one of them. If you don't want to hear track 1, for example, look, I've highlighted it, and now I've highlighted track 2, track 3. Let's go back to track 1. Up at the top here, there is A, C, M. M is the column where you want to click in that little box there, and that comes up, that little dot there, that little dot. Now, if you want to hear only one track, and you want to hear have all of them muted apart from the one, well, that takes a long time doing it like that. So let's unmute those again, and simply press solo up there. Okay, and now you see they've all got the mute little circle there, except that one. Of course, I can unmute some of them by doing that. That means I'll just hear tracks 1 and 4 there. There I'll hear just tracks 1, 4 and 6 and so on. But if I want to get rid of that solo so I hear all of them again, I just press that red button up there. Next thing. That'll do for now.